Hello and welcome to Craft Divas. So today, what we're going to be doing is designing this nice little Hershey pocket. Now, this can be used for not only the Hershey, but anything thin. I also tried it with pencils, and that works with it as well. So that's definitely an option. Nice little small little thing that you can just slide the candy bar in and call it a day. So let's go ahead and let me get my my scoreboard, and let's get started. Alright, so the measurements are 7 1/4 by 8 3/8. And that is what I come up with, but actually taking the time and measuring it myself. So let's go ahead and get this baby done. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna cut at my 8 3/8 first. And then 7 1/4. And right, yeah, I like to double check to make sure that I am cutting it right. All right. So on the 7 1/4 side, you're going to score at 2.5, and then you're going to score at 4 7/8, and then turn it. And on the 8 3/8 side, you're going to score it at 2.5. So just 2.5. That's it. All right, so I don't need this anymore, so I'm going to do away with this. All right, now take your scissors and you're going to cut out this box and this box. So let's go ahead and cut those out. And what I like to do is corner it a little bit. Now I have to be super neat because it's going to be hidden. And you even can cut it off a little bit more if you want to. And then go ahead and burnish all the folds. You can either use your bone folder or you can do it with your hand. Either one is fine. Alright, so that's what we come up with. Now, use, I don't know what my kids put the pencils at. This goes in the middle, right? That folds, and they fold over like this. Now, one of the sides is a little bit longer. So you want to put whatever side is longer on the outside. That's how you do it. Okay. So go ahead and glue. Since it's my longer side, I'm going to go ahead and glue this panel to this. Good, my glue one's, you can glue or you can tape it. Either one is fine. Okay, so that gives like a little pocket right there. See a little pocket? Oh, let's see if we put the glue right there. So see, you don't even see that. So it don't matter how you cut that little flap. And then you want to go ahead and glue down this side. first. Let me burnish this a little more. Okay. And you want to glue down this side. And you can glue the whole thing, but I'm not going to glue the whole thing right now. I'm going to just do the little piece just to show y'all. Oh, sorry. You want to glue it and you want to put it on the edge. So you don't want it to overlap it. Alright, you want to give me a difficult time right now. Alright, so you want to glue it right to the edge, even though it's going to have that little bubble, but that's fine because you're going to need that way. Now, what I did was I actually put a little bit of glue in the inside too. Now, I like to do is take and just cut a little diagonal piece off of it. So you can take and measure from that corner to any part on this side, or I just eyeball it, because as long as you cut straight, a diagonal but straight diagonal line, you're fine. And then put your Hershey down in there and see, voila. And that's it. So I want to also go back and design it a little bit. Now again, the measurements are, I'm going to put the measurements in the description, so don't worry about having to remember what they are. Alright, so of course I want to give you the measurements. One of them was 2.5, so that's why I'm gonna cut this at 2. Give me a little room so it won't be completely covered. I'll cut this at 2. And I'm gonna do at 8. Now you can measure this again to see what size it is, being by that you cut the diagonal. Yeah. Since we cut pieces off, cut pieces off, just, or you can take this. Hey, this is even better. I don't know why I say you're gonna take, and I said I want to do mine at, let's say 4 7/8. 4 7/8. That is where we're gonna cut it at. And you can glue that on there or tape it, either one. So I'm gonna tape. Now for this low part, you can measure whatever you want. So I probably won't have that part in the description, but I'll have the measurements of how to make this overall in the description. Piece there, and cut. Sometimes that's why I hate fighting this doggone tape. I need to invest in one of the rollers. I had one, but once I use it all, I was like, forget it. These do hold better because I get the real strong one. To this side. Okay, here we go. And it might be that it probably ain't hard. It's just my behind can't see. That's all. And start at the bottom. Make sure you're in the middle. And just give it a little, a little look. Decorate it. And you can put anything on there to decorate it. You don't have to put this. You can put some vinyl. You can cut out some words or something and put it on here. You can cut out the back. You can design this on just this paper by itself. To spice it up, if you want to print out a label and put like the nutrition fact on there, you can. That'll be cute. Or, say a little thank you nutrition fact or a birthday or something like that. That's cool too. But that is our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe, and y'all have a great day.